Hi, and welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. I know it's been a while since I added a video. I really appreciate everyone that has been liking, commenting, and subscribing. And if you're not already subscribed, please do so. Today, this video, I'm going to be going over how to use Claude AI, a new AI tool similar to ChatGPT. But I've been using it for a couple months to create blogs. So this video is going to be how to create blogs that rank fast on Google and actually bring traffic to your website, bring traffic to your Etsy shop, wherever you want to be able to get traffic for your products, whether it's digital or physical products. So if you would like to learn how to get a daily sales using Claude AI, then let's go ahead and get into this video. So if you don't already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and put this link in this video when I drop it. It's claude.ai. And so you're going to go ahead and make a free account. Right now I have a free account. And it's been fine. I've been able to create almost 100 blogs with a free account. It does give you restrictions on how many times you can add a prompt. So if you do love it and you want to upgrade, you can do that as well. I believe the lowest is like 17 a month. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. So the first thing that you need to do before you make a blog on here is you're going to need your product links and your product images because they can't pull those. So you want to make sure, just depend on how many products you want. And I'm going to go ahead and give you an example of my previous chat so you can see what it looks like. Hopefully this doesn't take too long to load. But what you're going to need, so if you, for example, if you are getting, so here we go. This is a blog that they created for me and it says download because this is perfect for if you have a Shopify or a Wix or some type of website where you're able to add the code in. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that as well. So basically they gave me the code with the full design. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And all you have to do is hit copy and you're going to paste it directly in where you have your blog. So as you can see here, they created this whole entire design and you can edit these text inside your website as well, but the entire design is already created. So this is what you're going to do. We're going to go back over here to the new chat and you're going to need to get, like I said, your image links and your product links. So if we go over here to Etsy, let's say that you have an Etsy shop and you want your blogs to drive to the Etsy shop, what you'll need to do is select that particular product. And so you're going to get the link from Etsy or from your website of that exact product. And you're going to tell it to create a blog. I'm going to say a SEO blog that ranks fast and targets keywords that have high search volume and low competition. So that's very important, especially for ranking on Google, because depending on your niche, there could be a lot of competition. So you want to make sure that you're using keywords where you can actually rank on the first page or close to it, because that's how you get found. You want to be an exact match as possible. And then, of course, if this is your first time, you want to let them know your niche. Because I've been using this, it's probably going to use my niche. But I could say, for the niche of game night journals. I really don't know how much competition this has. This is just the first thing that I seen. This person has over 2,000 sales, so it could be good. And then what you're going to do is right click this picture and you're going to hit copy image link. That way it can actually put the exact image link in the blog. So we're going to say, here is the product image link. And you're going to have to do this, like if you want the blog to have, I would say, have at least 4 to 5 different products that are in the same niche so people can have choices. And then we're going to put, here is the product link. That way, when they have buttons, they're going to actually take them to the correct link within the blog. And if you want to tell them what colors you want or the design style, you can, but they're pretty good at creating a blog that's in the theme. But you can also let them know if you want it to look a certain way, maybe to match your brand colors or your logo. You can upload that as well. You can add your logo here and tell them to match your logo as well. And so, yeah, so this is what the prompt that you're going to give it. Again, create an SEO blog that ranks fast, targets keywords that have high search volume. High search volume and low competition for the niche of game night journals. Again, I don't know how well this is going to rate, but and then we gave them the product link and the product image. So you're going to do that for as many images that you have or products that you have. And then you're going to go ahead and tell them to create the blog. It does take a couple minutes because they're actually, this is something that I like more than chat. And again, I'm using the free plan, is that they actually fully design it and you have the full, as you can see, they said, good, I have enough research. Now let me build this with strong SEO strategy. So they actually go throughout the internet and research the right keywords to be able to help you rank fast. So of course, when it comes to ranking on Google, it does take time, but the better that you build out the blog with your SEO strategy, which is search engine optimization, if you don't know that already, and this is the keywords that help you get found. So as it's building that out, again, you do have to do a little prepping. Make sure that you have all of your product link and your image links. You can put it in a little file and then paste it in here to make it easier. And then as you continue to create your blogs here, it actually holds memory in that chat. So it will become a little easier. You're going to be like, you can tell it to target another keyword, but use these exact products that I previously used, and you won't have to add them in again. It will remember those products. And so the goal is to, just from my research, they said to be able to start getting visibility from Google, you want to have a minimum of 20 blogs on your website. So I would work towards that. With a free plan, even though they give you restrictions and they tell you to come back later, you can definitely do 2 blogs per day. So if you want to like ramp it up the first week and just get your 14 blogs out the way from the first week, you can definitely do that. And then the following week, you can slow down to 1 blog per day. And then you'll already be at your 20 blogs minimum to start seeing that traffic from Google. And then you can lower it down to maybe a couple times per week. It's all about your own strategy and how fast you want to rank. If you want to rank within specific keywords, then you want to try to push out as much blogs as possible. Again, because it takes a couple months for it to fully compound. And another thing you want to, as you build out the blogs, you want to tell them to link your previous blogs in your current blog, so that people can click on your other blogs in that blog. Hopefully that makes sense and that I'm not talking too fast. So this particular video is going to be exclusively for my members. And I do have a new membership for people who have been following me on my journey or new people. And so you can go ahead and check that out. Okay, so it is finished. So it created this color scheme. Like I said, if you don't like this color scheme, you can tell them to change it, or from the beginning will be better just to save your chat amounts to tell them from the beginning. And then right here, this is going to take them to the Etsy list right at the listing, right at the beginning. It's going to give them, it's going to be a lot of different text in here to help you rank. I think about 2,000 words, they said, is what helps you rank well on Google. So they have, it's fully designed. They have what you can use the journal for, different occasions, all of this. As you can see, I didn't give them any information on what to create the blog. I just gave them the niche and I gave them the product information. They have a frequently asked questions section, and you can go through this to make sure that it makes sense for your products. And then right here, you have, again, shop and get it. And then if you have more products, obviously, it is going to be more product links on here. But all you have to do now is copy. And then you're going to go to your website, wherever you have websites at. I'm going to do Shopify because that's where I have mine. You're going to go over here to content. You're going to do blog posts. You're going to hit add blog posts. So this is perfect for people who use Shopify. You're going to go, so what you're going to do is normally you would just put your text here. That's not what you're going to do. You're going to hit right here where it says show HTML. And this is where coding goes. So you're going to go ahead and just paste the coding that they just created. As you can see, then we're going to give a name. You can go ahead and ask them that too. But like I said, if they only giving you a couple times, maybe you can go to chat if you have that for free and tell them to create your SEO blog title. Create a SEO blog title, meta description, and tags for this blog. Then we're going to do the best game night scorebook because it's not letting me copy it. And maybe we'll give it the product link. A blog based around this product. And then when it gives you the blog title, the meta description, you're just going to go ahead and paste this all in there. So we have right there your blog title. And once you have the blog title, you can hit save. And you're going to go ahead, and as you can see, it's ready on here. You can go ahead and make it visible on your website if you want. I'm not going to, obviously, because it's not my niche. But this is where you're going to paste your tags. So you're going to go back over to chat, and you're going to get your tags. And you're going to paste them there. Add it. And there you go. Your tags will be on there. Down here, you're going to hit this edit button, and this is where you're going to put your meta description that they created, which is what's going to be the first words that people see on Google. Then you're going to hit save. And now your blog is done. Right here, you can go ahead and edit if something is spelled wrong, or if you want to add something else to it, you can edit it right here. All you have to do is hit save, hit visible. You can add an image here for the SEO. It's going to be at the top though of the blog. And that is it. That is how you go ahead and create blogs using Claude, I don't know how to pronounce it, AI, as well as you can use chat for the SEO title, meta description, and tags if you don't want to use all of your messages right away. And then, and then you can go ahead and create as many blogs as possible. If you would like, let me know in the comment section and I can show you how to create Pinterest pins for these blogs so that you can get even more traffic to your blog and to your website. That is all. I would appreciate if you guys give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of videos I should create next. I know I'm going to get back into making videos. I'm going to have, like I said, member-only videos, and I'm going to have videos for everyone that comes across my channel. I can go ahead and show you guys right now the tiers. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, I really appreciate that. So right here, this is my channel. If you go over to membership, this is where you can sign up. I have 3 tiers. I have some video of my previous videos that are currently members only. This is the recent post that I created about it as well. Our lowest tier is $2.99. We have, this comes with proprietary replies, early access to new videos. $4.99 comes with member shoutouts, member only polls. In some of the polls, I might ask some questions about what kind of content I should create, what you guys think about the video, things of that nature. And then $9.99 is member only videos, as well as you will receive Canva template links. So, and these links you can use for personal use or reselling. So if you don't want to have to make templates from scratch and you want to be able to make some money with Canva, then I suggest you support the channel and go with that tier, and you will get sent. You have to fill out the form that's attached to the membership, and you will get sent link to the Canva templates every single month that you are a member. So like I said, I really appreciate everyone for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day. Bye-bye.